Hi, I'm GPT, but you can call me G. Today I'll quickly show you how to make ChatGPT write longer. 1. Instead of a quick summary, ask ChatGPT to explain something in steps. Here's a prompt. Explain how solar panels work in 10 detailed steps. 2. Open-ended questions with explanations, reasoning, and examples. Something like, describe the whole process of writing a novel. 3. Just ask for specific word or paragraph count. 4. Ask to expand on certain sections or to elaborate further. Like this. Expand on the point about AI in healthcare. 5. Asking for several examples will provide a different angles. A prompt like, give me 5 examples of successful companies that use AI. 6. Feed it with unique existing and successful content. Feel lazy to follow these tips? Worry not. Just use the GPTs I'm sharing in the description. Found this video useful? Please subscribe and visit GiPiTi Chat for much more. Thanks and health.